Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove the airbag and the steering wheel on Ford Focus MK3.5. So from 2015 till 2018. So basically not that hard a job. What you want to do, you want to pull the steering wheel as much as you can towards you because you need space, and after that use a screwdriver and just push over here and up, so like that. So this side and the other side as well, same process. Just push it up. So it's a little bit harder, but yeah, push up like that. After that you can remove this plastic cover by pulling it up, this side as well. So like that, maybe even take out full this bad boy out. You can always put it back together. And now the hardest part of all of this, I'm not really sure if you're gonna be able to see, but here are the holes where you need to put a screwdriver, or if you have, I do have these special tools, and basically, let's see, maybe this one, not really, it was some time ago since last time I did this. So basically you have to find the hole and you use your screwdriver, or if you have this tool, and push in and just click out like that. So, and with other hand you need to pull your airbag out once you click it. So this side and other side as well. So if you don't have something like this, it's no problem. You can always use some sort of a smaller screwdriver, and I will show you once I take it out, but it's just like that, and then you click it. You need to hear that click sound, so that means that you have removed it from that side. And now on the other side as well, same process. Again, there is this hole and you push your screwdriver in. So screwdriver in the hole, find the hole, and just like that, and just click it out until you don't hear that sound like this. So as you can see, it's quite easy when you know what you need to do, but I will show you step by step. So after that we have this jack for the airbag. So you wanna use your screwdriver like this and just go a little by little like that until it's not now full up. After that it just pull out. So same way it goes in, you need to check like this. So there is specific plug, you cannot put it on other side. So once you want to put it back, just click it back all the way, push this orange clip inside. So that's the one. And now this for the sirens. So these are just click. So, and here you have the airbag. And now for the steering wheel, this one has heating, as you see over here, this blue wire with this, it's always heating. So heating of the steering wheel. And then you have this button, so you know where you press. So that's the one plug, and another one is up over here. So this one also you need to take out. So it's quite not that hard. Just need to click it on the top and pull out like that. So that's the one. After that you will need, this is 24. So 24, and all you need to do is turn it around. So as I did already, this is not like 10 socket. It does turn quite easy once you have everything. So important to note, if you're just removing the steering wheel, mark the correct position. So before you take out the steering wheel. So this one, now it's fully, and what you want to do, probably over here somewhere on the top, you want to mark maybe like over here. So mark, so once you pull out your steering wheel like this, as you can see, if you're not careful, and I was not careful, it does turn around. So basically it was like this. So if you did marked over here with this, when you put your steering wheel back, it's quite easier. You don't need to make alignments and stuff like that. So airbag, now you click it in, and so like that. Now I want to show you from the back side with, so like this. There, as you can see over here, it's already prepared. You just clicked all over there, and on other side as well. So you start from that side and you just clicked inside. So after that, the steering wheel should be detached from the airbag like that. As you can see, as you can see, yeah. So let me show you once again. Airbag goes in. You mark the right position. You just click it in. Did you hear that? So it's clicked in. It's a little bit harder from that side because you need to pull like this, but now you can see. So from here, clicked all there, and on this side as well. You will hear that noise that it's up, that it's fully detached. Now that's about that. So I hope this will help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. See you next one. So till next one, see ya.